Okay, good evening, everyone. Today is 17th of February 2025. It is around 9:06 p.m. Singapore time. So let's talk about this week. This week is week number 8. All right. So we have quite a lot of news coming out this week. Okay. If as you can see from the left screen, right, quite a lot of news coming out except today. All right, today is a bank holiday in US. All right, so basically, I think the UK and the Euro session will be going to be over in 1 or 2 hours time. So I think after that, market will be very quiet. Okay, so please be aware of that. Today, the market in US is closed, so pretty much, I think not much of the movement in my opinion. All right, so this on for today, but okay, but stuff from tomorrow, all right, you can see from here, we will have a lot of item coming up. Okay, start from tomorrow. Most of them are from like Australian rate decision, and we also will be having a New Zealand rate decision on Wednesday as well. All right. Then we also have a CPI data on Canadians. So a lot of non US related news are coming up. So like Aussie, New Zealand, Canadian, this kind of item will be under focus. Okay. But for the as far as the US um so-called US material is concerned, all right, we have a FOMC on the this Thursday. So I think will be quite important because market will take some clue on the potential rate decision on the year 2025. Okay, so this is gonna be something important for that. Please take note that it is Thursday early in the morning. All right, Thursday early in the morning I mean late Wednesday night lah for Singapore and the Asian hours. Okay, so please be aware of that. Okay, just to let you know, all right, just to let you know now, the sort of like inflation are picking back. All right, now the Federal Reserve is seeing on the two things. So Federal Reserve normally they will look at the two things. First thing is inflation data. So basically it's like CPI, right? They will look at CPI. The second thing they will look at is unemployment rate. I mean, the jobless rate in a way. All right. So they look at these two data to sort of like decide they should cut the rate or they should raise the rate. Okay. When the inflation is high, all right, and inflation is going up, yeah. And when the inflation is going up and the employment is getting lower, okay. In the future, we can talk about the future employment will rise. This in the future, right? But as of right now, the employment data is not so high yet. In fact, they are coming down, right? So in the inflation is going higher. And the employment is not that bad. They are the jobless rate is getting lower. That means more people are employed, right? So in this case, they were not going to cut the rate. Okay, so because they want to attack the inflation which is going up, right? So normally Federal Reserve will at least they will hold the rate. They will hold the rate. So I that's a reason why they instead of cutting rate, I think they were likely to hold the rate in the 2025, in my opinion. All right. So it's like or even they might even raise the rate if the inflation keep on going up. Okay. So I believe that in the year 2025, the rate cut is maybe one time only, one more round only. All right, so this is something that we need to watch upon. Federal Reserve will not be cutting interest rate aggressively anytime soon. Okay, so this is what I know. Of course, in future, the data can, of course, go another way around. Then they will have another different type of decision. But okay, but as of right now, the they don't see a reason to cut the rate. Okay, are we clear on this? So this is what the market is looking at. All right, so that's the market is trying to price in, trying very hard to price in what the market, what the Federal Reserve might be doing. And of course now Donald Trump is in charge right now, so market is also trying to price in what tariff might bring. Okay, basically tariff is basically they are in the nutshell they are deflationary. They are sort of like disturbing the trade flow. So that's the reason why the gold and silver might there are people are taking as a sort of like a safe haven asset something like that. That's why gold and silvers are recently going back up. Okay, so let's continue. Let's talk about the individual items. All right, let's talk about the individual item. Okay, you can see on the right side. Okay, let me start with the British pound. All right. Okay, the right chart is basically is a British pound, the CFD. All right, the right sorry, the right chart is a British pound CFD, and the left is also a British pound, but it is exchange-based CME data. I'm sure you're aware of this. All right, basically they are the same. All right, basically they are the same. The only difference is the left side is as CME data. So I would like to see the volume kind of like analysis. That's why I look at both at the same time. So going forward, okay, I have been bullish on British pound for quite a few weeks already. If you go back and watch my previous video as well, okay, so the market is really going well in our favor. We expect the market to go up, and of course, the market also went up. All right, going forward, we're gonna stay on the slightly bullish mode in my opinion. All right, so I mean, if you put it in another way, try to look on the buy side. Okay, so just the only thing that we need to a little bit careful is that we are at this sort of like a near to this resistance zone. So the market may pull back down a little bit and take it as a chance for us to buy in. Okay, so you can choose not to buy immediately. All right, you can choose not to buy immediately, but you can buy at the typical support level for us to buy in. You see, even the previous time, the market didn't go up immediately like this. You got what I mean? What the market did was, market did was they just go like this, come down, they pull back to this support level, then they go up a bit again, they pull back to this support level, they do a lot of shakeout, and they gradually go up from there. So this is how the market move. Market rarely goes straight from point A to point B. They will try to swing around between point A to point B, but eventually they will go there. Okay, so this is how the market move. So we must understand this and we must behave accordingly. All right, we cannot be like, I buy now, I want to make money now. It's not like that. It's not how it works. We have to really wait for a good setup, good support level to really come and touch. Then we can look for a buy from there. Okay, so same thing here. From here, the market may not go immediately like this. I think they will do some sort of like a bounce likely, in my opinion. Okay, so overall, I'm stay slightly bullish. All right, stay slightly bullish, and market will likely to go up higher. Okay, have it ever happened to you? This example, let's say you buy something. Just want to give you one example. Let's say the market look promising that you buy something. All right, you buy something, but like for example, market go up a bit, but eventually market come down to so-called your original place, and like market is something wrong, then you will so-called maybe even go lower. Then what you did was you panic and sell. All right, so your buy position is no longer you're holding anymore. Instead, you sell the position. But the moment you sell, after a while, market go back to the original intended direction. That means if you hold your previous buy position, by then you are already TP already. Have you ever happened to you before? Okay, so this is how the market move, because we need to really adjust our expectation. Okay, market will rarely go from point A to point B straight line all the time. Okay, so we must aware of this. Okay, so we really need to adjust our expectation on the market itself. So going forward, I'm still overall bullish, but I'm also aware that there may be some potential pullback along the way. Okay, so British pound, I'm slightly bullish on this guy. Euro also actually is similar. Okay, I personally hold a Euro long position. I think I have a buy position somewhere around here, if I'm not wrong. Okay, I can't remember the exact number, but somewhere around here. All right, so now market just going back higher, right? So now it's of course we are in the profit. So what I'm thinking of doing is that I think since the market is trying to be something like a double top, right? So what I'm going to do is I want to see if let's say the market come down, all right, market come down, then market go and retest here. I want to see how the market behave from there. I mean, if happen, this is a double top, right? This is a top one, this is a top two, right? If it is happen, yeah, what will happen is I want to see whether this level hold or not. If hold, then really nicely, like break out higher, then okay, we are back in the trade. Or if not, they start to turn back, I will take my profit out already. So I'm looking for a more clue to show up. But even to me, as of right now, eventually I think market will go up higher. So we are in a double top region. So you may not want to long right now. Okay, you may want to wait out a little bit, maybe let it come back to support level or here support level, then thinking about long from there. So, trading is not executing. I mean, trading is not immediately go into the trade. Trading, you need to have a plan first. You need to plan, then you whether buy or sell should be another thing. Normally, a lot of traders jump straight to the just straight the so-called the steps. That's the reason why we have a lot of problem. I mean, the reason I'm telling you over and over again is that not for you only, it's for me also. Of course, really like there are things that I need to control myself also. Discipline is not that easy, right? Okay, so going forward, I am thinking of euro will be likely to go up higher as well. The only problem is we may have, this level may have a little bit of tough time going back up. So let's see. All right, if they really break up higher, then okay, we are back in business. Okay, so I'm holding it and I'm watching it closely. All right. Okay, another one is Aussie. Aussie also have a long position. All right, I have a long position. I'm making money on this as well. Okay, same thing. I'm just looking for potentially buy. In the near future, I don't think I will sell, in my opinion. I will just try to look for some potential support level to buy from. So I will wait it out slowly, and I will try to buy it up. Okay, so yeah, just plan it out and buy on this. All right, trading is supposed to be quite boring. Okay, so New Zealand also same thing. Okay, I'm expecting some bullish case scenario, and let's see how it's go. All right, my projection is they might even come back here for some testing. All right, so I'm not really hurried to buy immediately. I will just take it slow and I will buy in from there. Okay, okay. But of course, there are some fundamental items that I look at every week and every few days, right? So if there's any change, of course, I will change it out as well. So typically, my trading view my trading idea come from some fundamental data, statistical data to get me along. Okay. So as of right now, this information was telling me to be a bit more on the buy side. So I would rather buy than sell at this moment. Okay. All right. So let's talk about gold here. Okay. Gold, I need you guys to really adjust your expectation. All right. Um, if we don't adjust that expectation now, in any I would say 80% of the time, and in 80% of the market condition, we will not make money. Okay, so what so-called expedition are we talking about? Okay, let me explain to you. Actually, gold have been on the very nice rise for quite some time already. Are we not? Since how much? $2,580 to plus minus just say 2880. So you see, gold have been rising for the month of 2025 alone, $300, correct or not? And and um and another put it another way, go almost 10% up in the 2025 alone. Are we not? Correct or not? Right? I mean, go have already rise. I mean, they have been rising so nicely. And now you don't need to answer to me. Okay. You just look at yourself. Look at your trading performance. Did you make this move or not in 2025? If you did not make that, there's something really that we need to work on already. Do you got my point? Market have a very good run in 2025, We must be missing something out if you miss it. Okay? So my point here is that, and when the market is such a big run like this, we are quite bounded to have some sort of swing, are we not? They were never, not all the time they will do parabolic. This is what we call it parabolic, Correct or not? M- Then who are we to expect market will keep on moving parabolic all the time? Correct? So my point here is that what happened on the last week is just the goal trying to find some support and resistance only. You got what I mean? This is, I think it's totally normal. We haven't reached to the stage, Do you know last time how much they dropped? From 278 to almost 253, so almost $200. They dropped $200. So, they haven't even dropped $50 to $80, like people screaming already. Cannot like that, ma. Okay, cannot like that. I mean, people screaming people are too used to this kind of move already. This is how the market will get you. They will make you comfortable and they will try to slaughter the person. You got what I mean? We cannot let our guard down anytime. All right. We cannot let our guard down. So my point here is that gold is just trying to last week just going sideways only. That's it. They haven't even dropped. Okay. So please be very careful. Back to our old guard. Please guard your position and careful all those things. Okay, so now let's do that. Let me do the analysis for you. Okay, what is happening to gold? Gold just last week, all right, they make a good high of here, right, which is 291 something, 2912, 2915, all right. Then they just retest it and they failed one time already. So what we can tell is that there is some sort of minor weakness in gold coming in, minor, all right. So gold, they test one time, they fail one time, all right. But so are we saying that going to be downtrend? No, I'm not saying that yet because you see for the past uh 2 months, right, since January, market never really even test so aggressively yet. So we are just the first time testing only. So my point is that going forward, I foresee, all right, this 2900 region is a very good important level. So this morning the market tried to break up higher and they kind of come up and they pull it a bit. So going forward, I want you to watch this level very closely. Give and take around 2900 to 2910 region. Okay. I need this level to break up again strongly to continue on the bullish side. Okay. If not, don't go and buy aggressively. Market might fall back to easily. Market might fall back to here, which is the first support. All right. 2864 region, right? 2864. Second support is 2830. Come on, guys. Market haven't even tested hang on. Market haven't even let me read out the number correctly because there's a 2863. Wait, let me just write it. Okay, this is the two support that it can potentially goes to. Market haven't even crashed. We are just a minor pullback. Also, a lot of people cannot take it. It cannot be like that, mom. Trading, market will find every way to test you. You are not like a market is not like everybody will make money together. You got what I mean? Only 10% make money while 90% lose money. Do you get what I mean or not? So they will make sure majority lose money first. So my point here is that they can easily go here first, even if they want to go up higher later. So you must aware of this situation. So when the market is coming down, don't anyhow go and add your long position. You got what I mean? Everything must be so-called in line with trade management, risk management. Okay. Let me speak one in Burmese. Okay, ကျွန်တော်တို့ဗမာတွေက trading လောကတွေရောက်လာတာတိတ်အရင်မကြသေးဘူးအများဆုံး9နှစ်ပေါ့ဗျာကျွန်တော်ပြောတာ trading မှာအရေးကြီးတာနောက်တစ်ခုက technical မဟုတ်ဘူးကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီ risk management ဆိုတာအရေးကြီးတယ် okay အဲ့တော့ risk management ဆိုတာသိဖို့လိုတယ်မသိရင်လည်းတွားပြီးတော့တစ်ချက်လေးကြည့်လိုက်ပါဘာလို့ဆိုတော့အဲ့ဟာမှသာကျွန်တော်တို့ဘယ်လိုခေါ်မလဲ account blow ဖြစ်တာတော့ဘောတော့ကနေကာကွယ်နိုင်မှာ okay so please watch on the risk management as well. Okay, so like I said, this is not even the pullback, just a small shake only. We cannot be so worried about it. Okay, so back to here, gold is going up higher. Okay, I repeat that. The only thing is that whether they will go up just straight up here like this, or they will do a bit of, like this or not. So this is just a few scenario only. So, we shouldn't be so work on that. We have to really work on the proper risk management. I personally hold one gold long position. My I didn't hold gold, but I have a silver position. I think the whole run up I have two position, or all of them I take profit and I already out already. So now I have one gold position left. Okay, since the market is a little bit going sideways, right? So what do? Okay, I don't add position first now, right? We don't add position first. We see how the condition first. Okay, but as far as the trend is concerned, I think gold is really going to go up higher. Okay, so it's a matter of where you want to enter, let the market come down to very good support level, then you enter again. Like another good support level is here. You got my point? So these are the level that you should be looking to buy. Okay. So no hurry. I want to see more clue on the gold. But as of right now, gold is going sideways. All right. So I will just wait it out. So should you add long position immediately or not? No. I repeat, let the 2900 level break out first, then we talk about adding, or let the market go to some resistance level first. Okay, are we clear on this? Go, please be patient. Okay, okay, moving on. Silver, same thing also. You see, last Friday we have a very strong pin bar. All right, bearish pin bar. So it's this is to tell people that market try to go up, but there are a lot of seller coming to push the price down. So so at least they will have a little bit hard time going up for now. So I think my projections go. I think market will do some sort of pullback a bit first. So gold and silver, I won't be so actively looking for a buy at this moment. Okay, so don't chase the market and buy immediately, guys. Okay. All right. There are one thing that I want to show you. All right. Let's see whether I can show this one. Okay. Crude oil. Same thing. All right. Market. You see the crude oil. Don't chase the price anyhow. You see the last week market open at the last Monday was here. All right. Market open nicely. Right. I think this candle, one of the candle. Okay. Market open nicely. You see, they really go up nicely on this and form some support, and they really just crash back here. So if they ever come back again, we need to watch again. All right. We need to watch again and watch upon the how the market behave. If let's say market is very weak, they will definitely will go back lower. Okay, they will definitely will go back lower. So this is something that I want you to watch upon. And in order for us to long, I think we better make sure this level break out strongly first. Then we will long. So as of right now, what should we do? Of course, I think crude oil is not really bullish for now. For now, okay. So I won't be buying at all. Okay, another one is wheat. Wheat here. Wheat is not bad. Okay, I would say it's not bad. Okay. All right, so wheat, let's see how it's go. You see my previous two prediction, the wheat will go up higher, and both of them came true. So I think wheat, I think going to continuously, I think they were likely to do well in my opinion. All right, so wheat, I think soft commodity is not so bad, but I'll be watching it closely. Okay, later I will summarize. Okay, and last but not least, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, I want to show you with these two data. Okay, basically what happening to Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is actually, they are really going sideways-ish. Okay, previously they were very bullish, right? They were very bullish. Let me show here. You see this line. Okay, let me show here. The market, all the volume managed to climb to this level. All right, climb to this level. All right. Since then, market rarely crash from there. Whenever they come to this level, this is a very good support level. You see, they every time they try to touch the level, they manage to go up higher. Okay, but at the same time, they also have a same problem on top. You see, this level they could not really break up higher. Do you see that? So as of late recently, they failed to do the so-called higher high anymore. You see, instead, let's say this is a high. We have this a lower, this a low, this a lower high, and this a lower low, and this a lower high. So you see, we are kind of in the downtrend per se, really. So unless they manage to break this 100,000 level again, Bitcoin, we shouldn't be so bullish at all yet. You got my point here? So Bitcoin, don't just buy in right now. And you can see here, also this from the technical analysis. Also from here, you see that this OI, they could not really break up this so-called this box level. All right, so that means market is not strong enough not strong enough, aka they are selling. Okay, so Bitcoin, please be very careful. Okay, one of the news that, okay, there must be a reason behind Bitcoin is not bullish, right? Okay, there's a reason why Bitcoin is not bullish. It is FTX. All right, I just shared it in my Telegram. Okay, FTX is they are going to start to repay their so-called their customer. Start from, I think, from 18 of this month. So basically, basically all the crypto, including Bitcoin, all the crypto that are sort of like given to the sort of like holding by them, it start to give it back to the investor. So of course, once the investor receive back their Bitcoin or all the cryptos, right? They have been hold out for I think for 2 years, right? Most of them they were cash out. Am I right to say? So when it happened, what will happen? Of course, crypto price were likely to fall. Okay, so the technical and the fundamental data, they are sort of like go hand in hand. There's a reason, cause, and effect, something like that. So this is something that we need to really pay attention to. And just now, I also shared in my Telegram saying about this by the FTX, right? You use this acronym, right? You can see their behavior or sort of like activities. Sorry, not behavior, activities, right? So you can see they start to move. Some of the coins start to move already. Small amount, but I want you to really be careful of this. Okay, I share this link also in our Telegram already. Please watch it out very closely. I think from tomorrow onward, okay, tomorrow onward, they will start to activities start to pick up, in my opinion. So the moment their Bitcoin start to go out to the customers, we can foresee that those customer will cash it out. Cash it out mean they will sell, right? So it can bring in a lot of sell pressure in the Bitcoin. So going forward, crypto in general, please be very careful. All right, unless this 99,000, 100,000, this kind of level really strongly broke out, and then the market start to stay above this, then I will start to be bullish again. So I will be very cautious on Bitcoin right now. Okay, so yeah, I think that's about it for for this week analysis. Okay. So just to have a quick recap, okay, gold, silver, please be careful a little bit this week. All right. I think the market may take a little bit or take a break because you can see market will take a little bit of break because you can see that there was not much of the US news except except this FOMC meeting minutes in the middle. So I think the all other sort of like forex pair will move while the US dollar pair will maybe take a little bit of break here. Okay, gold and silver, I would think we shouldn't be so bullish at this moment. Okay, if we really want to look into bullishness, I think we can look into the euro and Aussie. I am actively looking on these two fella, see whether I want to add position or not. Okay, on the long side, okay, not on the short side. Okay, if there's any changes or any new setup, of course I will announce or I will let you guys know in my Telegram and in my Facebook. All right, guys. If you think this video is sort of like a beneficial to you, do me a favor. If you're watching on the YouTube, press a like. And if you're watching on the Facebook Live, please help me share this video and press like and stuff like that. All right, guys. So thank you very much. I see you guys again. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.